Have you ever wondered why your car seems to drink more gas than it used to? Even though you haven't changed your driving habits? You fill up the tank, and just a few days later, that little light on the dashboard is blinking at you again. It's frustrating, right? It feels like you're just throwing money away at the pump. What if I told you there are secret simple tricks that can dramatically boost your car's fuel efficiency? But the people who profit from your gas-guzzling car, like some gas stations and even certain mechanics, might not be so keen on you knowing them? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share 10 fuel-saving secrets that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a year. Let's get started. Secret number 1. It's all about timing your fill-up. Did you know that gasoline expands when it's hot? Most gas stations store their fuel in underground tanks where the temperature is more stable. However, when they get a delivery, that new fuel can be warmer. The best time to buy gas is early in the morning or late at night, when the ground and the stored gasoline are coolest and densest. When you pump cool, dense gas, you get more fuel for your money. Pumping in the middle of a hot summer day means you're getting less dense, expanded fuel. It's a small difference each time, but over a year, it really adds up. Think about it. Gas pumps measure volume, not density. So, get more molecules for your dollar by filling up when it's cool. Secret number 2, and this one is a game changer. Check your tire pressure religiously. This is probably the most overlooked maintenance task, but it has a huge impact on your mileage. Underinflated tires have more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder just to move the car forward. It's like trying to ride a bicycle with flat tires. It takes way more effort. Most people only check their tires when the warning light comes on, but by then, you've already wasted a ton of gas. Your car's recommended tire pressure is listed on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Don't go by the number on the tire itself. That's the maximum pressure. Check it at least once a month with your own gauge when the tires are cold. Properly inflated tires can improve your gas mileage by up to 3%. It might not sound like much, but it's like getting a discount on every gallon of gas you buy. Moving on to secret number 3, lighten your load. Take a look inside your car right now. What's in your trunk? Old sports equipment, bags of stuff you meant to donate, maybe a few heavy toolboxes? Every extra 100 pounds in your vehicle can reduce your fuel economy by about 1%. It might seem small, but it's constant. Your car is a hauler, not a storage unit. The more weight it has to carry, the more fuel it burns. Do a quick clean out this weekend. Remove everything you don't need for your daily commute. This also goes for roof racks and cargo boxes. If you're not using them, take them off. They create significant wind resistance or drag, which forces your engine to work harder, especially at highway speeds. Keeping your car light and aerodynamic is free and one of the easiest ways to save gas. Alright, secret number 4 is all about how you drive. Are you an aggressive driver? Do you love that feeling of rapid acceleration and braking hard at the last second? Well, that driving style is killing your fuel economy. Every time you slam on the gas or the brakes, you're essentially turning gasoline into wasted heat and brake dust. Smooth driving is key. Anticipate traffic flow. Look ahead and ease off the gas when you see a red light or a traffic jam, letting the car coast. When you accelerate, do it gently. Think of an egg under your gas pedal. This smooth approach can improve your mileage by as much as 30% in stop-and-go traffic. It's not about driving slowly. It's about driving smarter and maintaining a consistent speed whenever possible. Secret number 5 is one that many mechanics might not emphasize unless you ask specifically. Use the right motor oil. Your car's manufacturer recommends a specific grade of motor oil for a reason. It's engineered to provide the best lubrication and performance for your specific engine. Using a thicker, higher viscosity oil than recommended can increase friction inside the engine, making it work harder and use more fuel. Check your owner's manual. It will tell you the exact type of oil to use. Also, look for oils that say energy conserving on the API performance symbol. These oils contain friction-reducing additives that can improve your gas mileage by 1 to 2%. It's a simple switch to make during your next oil change that pays for itself. Now for secret number 6, don't idle excessively. We're all guilty of this. Waiting in the carpool line, sitting in a drive-thru, or warming up the car on a cold morning. Modern cars don't need to warm up for more than about 30 seconds. They warm up faster while driving. An idling car gets 0 miles per gallon. It's just burning fuel for no reason. If you're going to be stopped for more than 10 seconds, it's often more fuel efficient to turn off the engine and restart it when you're ready to move. Many new cars even have an automatic start-stop feature for this very reason. It might feel like a hassle, but turning off your engine instead of idling for long periods can save a surprising amount of gas over time. Think about all those minutes spent waiting. They add up to gallons of wasted fuel. Secret number 7 has to do with your air conditioner. Yes, it's essential on a hot day, but running the AC is a major drain on your engine and can decrease your fuel economy by up to 25%. So, when is it better to use the AC versus rolling down the windows? At lower speeds, like in city driving, opening the windows creates less drag than the power the AC compressor draws. However, at highway speeds, say above 50 miles per hour, open windows create significant wind resistance that actually forces your engine to work harder than if you were running the AC. So, the rule of thumb is, windows down in the city, AC on the highway. Also, when you first get into a hot car, open the windows for a minute to let the hot air out before turning on the AC. This helps it cool down faster and reduces the load on the system. Let's talk about secret number 8. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. A well-tuned car is an efficient car. Simple things can make a huge difference. A clogged air filter, for example, restricts airflow to the engine, which hurts performance and fuel economy. Replacing a dirty air filter is an easy and inexpensive fix that can improve your mileage by up to 10%. Worn-out spark plugs can also cause misfires, which waste fuel. Keeping your engine properly tuned according to your owner's manual schedule ensures that it's running as efficiently as possible. A mechanic might just fix the immediate problem you bring in, but being proactive about routine maintenance saves you money in the long run, not just on gas, but on avoiding bigger, more expensive repairs down the road. Don't wait for something to break. Secret number 9 is a bit of a tech tip. Use your cruise control. On the highway, your foot can't maintain a perfectly steady speed. You're constantly making tiny adjustments to the gas pedal, which uses more fuel. Cruise control, on the other hand, is excellent at maintaining a constant speed, which is much more fuel efficient. It avoids unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. The best time to use it is on long, flat stretches of highway. It's not as effective in hilly terrain, as the system can be aggressive in trying to maintain speed up a hill, which burns more gas than if you were to ease off slightly yourself. But for your average interstate road trip, cruise control is your best friend for maximizing miles per gallon. Finally, secret number 10, and it might be the most important one, plan your trips. How often do you run out for just one thing? Then an hour later, you realize you need something else, and you go out again. Combining your errands into one single trip is one of the most effective fuel-saving strategies. A warm engine is an efficient engine. When you first start your car, the engine is cold, and it uses a lot more fuel for the first few miles until it warms up. By chaining your errands together, you're running most of your miles on a fully warmed-up, efficient engine. Use navigation apps to plan the most efficient route, avoiding backtracking and heavy traffic. A little bit of planning before you leave the house can save you time, stress, and a significant amount of gas. So there you have it, 10 secrets that can put a serious dent in your fuel bill. From filling up at the right time and keeping your tires pumped, to driving smoothly and planning your trips. None of these are difficult or expensive, but together, they create a powerful new habit of fuel efficiency. Why aren't these tips common knowledge? Well, the more gas you use, the more money certain industries make. But now, you have the knowledge to take control. Start implementing just a few of these today, and watch how much farther your tank takes you. You work hard for your money. Don't just give it away at the pump. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you save money and live smarter. What do you think about our video? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.